Hello friends and welcome back to the Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ViewSonic new M1 Max 360-degree portable projector. So friend, the ViewSonic new 360-degree portable projection with built-in Google TV, the ViewSonic M1 Max smart portable projector, the latest addition of to its IF Design Award-winning M1 series, recognized for innovative 360-degree 3-in-1 stand designed for modern adventure and entertainment enthusiasts, and these palm-sized projector transform any space into cinematic oasis with built-in Google TV, vibrant Full HD 1080p visual, and powerful Harman Kardon audio system, and all-in-one, ultra-portable and sleek design. In the projector featuring built-in Google TV, the ViewSonic M1 Max offered direct access to popular streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, and more without the need for additional device. And this feature enhanced convenience and streamlined the entertainment setup, making the M1 Max a true standalone powerhouse for multimedia enjoyment. So, friend, and enhanced by ViewSonic Cinema SuperColor Plus technology, user can enjoy vivid Full HD 1080p visual with true to life colors with integrated theater quality Harman Kardon speaker, delivering an impressive room-fitting cinematic experience and weight less than 1 kg. And the M1 Max is ultra portable and easily fit into a bag, and the built-in battery and USB-C power bank capability ensure hours of uninterrupted entertainment. So friends, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.